What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Tuesday evening, just got back from Orlando. So that's the reason why I didn't post anything yesterday or today. But ladies and gentlemen, you guys, I know you guys love drama, and we got some drama. If you head on over to the Mikey Pipes Uncensored channel right now, I just dropped a video with some crazy drama. Real short story. Tom, yesterday afternoon, gets a phone call from not one, but two people out of the blue asking to speak to the owner of the company. And that one of our trucks forced these two vehicles off the road, and they almost got killed. And the police are right now chasing after the work truck. So I got a video on that. Oh my God. Oh, the dogs. Come on, let's walk. Hey, let's walk. So I got a video on that I recorded yesterday with Connor. We have a couple of videos on the Mikey Pipes Orlando YouTube channel. Let's just say we had to diamond cut a 22-foot cement driveway. And let's just say we thought we needed 20 bags of cement. So there's a contest, a giveaway on that channel. So that covers the Mikey Pipes Orlando YouTube channel, the Mikey Pipes Uncensored YouTube channel. And right now, I'm just walking the dogs. There's nothing new on Stoley's world. And Gigi, she's just chilling. So this is the first walk I'm taking them on in about 50 hours. I left Sunday late afternoon, and here it is, back again in the great state of New York. Pipe doctor, we've been busy. Yesterday, wow. Yesterday, the other Mike, with the help of Peter and Daniel to start, they took out a Burnham gas-fired boiler, replaced it with the new one. We also made some corrective repairs on the source of the water leaks, which caused the boiler's demise. Today, Daniel and Peter, they replaced a Carrier Infinity communicating air handler with a new drain pan, with a new high-rise drain pan by Diversitech. And we used a completely different ultraviolet light air filtration system, or IAQ product, that we don't normally use. Tomorrow we got a furnace to be replaced, and of course service calls as always. See, this is why I usually use the choker collar, because he loves to pull. Come on, let's go. Come on, Stoley. You're the devil. He is the devil. So I apologize for not posting anything on the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor YouTube channel. I really do. I appreciate the support from the community, because I would not be here with thank God, a very good business in Orlando without every single one of you. I have expanded the service offerings that my company offers here in New York. You know, we had a little detour in South Carolina. And let me tell you something, eventually, that's also going to be thriving. Just looking for the right individual to add to the family team. And of course, Central Florida, Orlando Winter Garden. Oh, God. Now, if I can only make sure that they unroll the red carpet and wear the booties on every service call, I think it'd be golden. It would be golden. And of course, tomorrow's Wednesday, hump day. I got a few things to do on my calendar, and then I'll be posting tomorrow evening back to our original scheduled program. Thank you again so much for your unconditional support. I really appreciate it. I would not be here without every single one of you. Until next time, be well, God bless, stay safe.